So the Norwegian winter is here and the ice drifting is all about to start. So I know there's a lot of people that getting their cars ready for the ice drifting. I know many want to jump like we did last year. So I am about to go and check out a car that Magnus and Ola is building. So let's take a look and have a little speak with them. Oh, an Audi with an open hood. I know many of you guys have seen this before. Good mornings!
Morning!
What are you guys doing?
Good. And you?
I'm fine. What are you guys doing?
We're trying to get rid of the stock twin turbos.
That's your job?
It's my job. not the most fun part to do.
When I was back in 2010, when I was driving the twin turbo, I was changing 3 of them.
It's a lot of work.
Yeah, it's a lot of work.
Just 2 nuts left, so guess it should be right. We'll never go back on.
So what's the plan of the car?
Use it on ice. Just make it work better, and yeah, make the car a little bit better, but not like a show project, but just overall look over everything and make it start every time, so we don't have to work on the car during the driving time.
Can't wait to drift with you guys.
It will be fun.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What are you doing here?
I'm trying to make some mounts for the new fuse and relay box, which we're putting in.
So we have a complete remake, all the things?
Yeah, we're making all the wiring new for the car and for the engine.
For the engine too?
Yeah.
Oh.
The old one looks horrible, so
Okay.
I couldn't stand it anymore.
What's the plan with the chassis?
We're putting on fiberglass front fender and rear fender, cutting the rear end off, fiberglass doors, and fiberglass latch on the rear. Just to make it simple and clean and easy to maintain.
Just remember it's only an ice practice car.
Yeah, I know, but we can't help it.
Everything removed?
Yes, finally.
Show us the new setup. Do you have it here?
We don't have it here.
You have it not here?
No,
Why?
haven't got it yet. We have the FSR manifold, drift motion FSR. My Supra here. We try to. We'll put that on again.
That's one you used on your older car?
Yeah, I used it for 3 or 4 years.
Yeah.
Still no.
I used the
Signs
same
of
manifold
warranty.
in 2011 before I used
It works good.
yeah.
Cheap,
Good enough for an ice car.
I guess.
What's this?
It's my custom heater for a car, for ice beater.
It's an oil cooler.
Yeah, but it's way bigger than any motorsport heater you can buy.
Oh,
We're not gonna freeze this winter.
looks good.
Hey,
what are you gonna do?
I don't know.
You don't know?
We'll just try something.
Ola, you're destroying the car! What are you doing, man? Crazy Norwegians!
Breaking things. Well,
I know. Okay, so how are you gonna hide this?
not sure. We're gonna put on some new rear fenders from LV Performance, front fenders, new hatch, and everything brand new to make it all straight again because it was really beaten up back here. So LV Performance always gives us the best parts in fiberglass, Kevlar, carbon fiber, whatever. And this car is gonna look awesome, I think. Let's fingers crossed if it's gonna be straight back here and we make everything fit all together.
Can't wait to see it finished.
Can't? Good.
Okay, so I'm going heading home now.
Okay.
Keep up the good work.
You're coming back?
Come back another day.
Good.
Yeah.
See you.
Bye, Magnus.
Bye.
Bye, Ola.
Bye.
It is so fun that Magnus and Ola is building a drift car on the ice, so we can have some fun together this winter. Now I'm back in my garage and I'm going to work on the Supra. I'm going to test drive the Supra today and I will see if everything works. So I'm going to end today's vlog now. I will see you guys next time. Goodbye.